Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our KD99 Ultra smartwatch, and this time we are going to check, of course, its health monitoring functions. Okay, so we have a heart rate, a blood pressure, and we are going to check whether it's accurate or not and compare it with our medical grade monitoring device here, health monitoring device. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop the comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so everything is set. We already attached our medical grade device here. Okay, so later we are going to check on our heart rate as well as the blood pressure. So we have here the smartwatch, okay, the KD99 Ultra. Let's take the measurement first here with our smartwatch. Then after that, the results we are going to check and compare it with our Omron medical blood pressure and heart rate monitoring device here. Okay, so let's check. Okay. So let's go first with our heart rate. Okay, so it is now monitoring our heart rate. So let's see. So we have, okay, 70 something. So 74 here. And for our blood pressure, so please remember we do have a 74 beats per minute. For our blood pressure, we do have 120/80. Okay, 74 and 120/80. So in our Omron, so let's check. Okay, after this, let's have a simultaneous monitoring. 74 and 120/80. So let's check here in our Omron medical grade device. We don't need to have an exact result, but as much as possible, the result of our health monitoring in the smartwatch should be at least closer to the results of our medical grade device here. So 83 and we have 74, 110/83. So it's a bit far by at least 10 points. Okay, again let's check. Okay, so again let's have a simultaneous monitoring and see whether we will have a good or close result. Okay, the first monitoring is a bit far. So we have here 124/84 again. (102/72). Let's check for the heart rate. Okay, so for the heart rate, very far, as you can see here. We do have 72. For the blood pressure, it is a bit close. Okay, but seems if you're going to check on the results here and compared it, okay, we've done it several times already, at least twice. Okay, we already checked this previously, and seems like it's not a true heart rate or blood pressure monitoring. Maybe it is just a random, or it is possible that the blood pressure or the heart rate for this wearable is not accurate. It may be a real or true blood pressure and heart rate monitoring, but the accuracy is off. Okay, so far it's far from our results here of our medical grade device. Okay, so that's it for our testing and monitoring of the blood pressure as well as the heart rate monitoring for our KD99 Ultra smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this video review, okay, comparison of the KD99 Ultra smartwatch health monitoring with our medical grade device here, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.